Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You're watching Gizmo Obsession. Today I'll be unboxing Tapo Smart Wi-Fi Light Strip. This is multicolor light, and the length of this strip light is 16.4 feet. And this is smart light, so it will be compatible with the Apple HomeKit, Alexa, and Google. And the model number is Tapo L930-5. Okay, so there's no hub required for this. This is directly plug and play, and you have custom zones, durable PU coating, intense white light. So you have 16 million colors also. This has multicolor light segments, voice control, cuttable app control. So what comes inside the box? You have a LED strip that is 16.4 feet, a power adapter, controller, 3M adhesive for controller, and quick start guide. So let's quickly unbox this and see what's inside this box. This is a very good brand, Tapo. When Govi would be number one, but Tapo comes after that. The light quality and the build of the light quality is pretty good. So this is the 16.4 feet strip light. It's RGBW IC. RGB stands for red, green, blue, white, plus individual circuit, which means we can individually change the color of each LED light. This is the power adapter. This is the quick start guide. Okay, let's keep this aside and see what else we have in the box. These are the different products from Tapo. And this is the Tapo controller. So let's quickly set this up and I'll show you. You also get a 3mm tape to stick this controller. See, you have these two spaces here. Okay. So let's keep the box aside and quickly set this light up. This is how you connect. You have the arrow here and the arrow here on the connector. It should match. Now we'll power it on. So we have powered this strip lights on. Okay, it looks pretty good. The build quality of these lights are very nice. Okay, you can see individual LEDs are glowing and it is very bright. Okay, it looks like Govi itself. Okay, so I will quickly set this up on Android phone. The app is available on both Android and iOS. So here on Android, you go to Play Store and download the app called Tapo. I already have that installed. So I'll open the app and I'll click on this plus icon, add a device, and here I'll click on lights. My model number is Tapo L930. Okay, so I'll click on it and click next. So here my lights are glowing orange and green, so I'll click on already orange and green. Okay, so this connects with 2.4 gigahertz, so I'll have to connect this to 2.4 gigahertz network. Now I get an option to connect. Click on it. It's connected. So the app is trying to connect with the strip light and it seems it has found the light. I get a notification from Alexa that the smart light strip is connected. So I click on next and it's in my living room, so I'll choose the room, choose an icon, so I'll let it be as it is and check for any firmware update. If any, then you can update. So I'll skip this. Here is the firmware update. In case if I have any firmware updates, it will update during 3 AM to 5 AM. So I have a strip light here. Okay, so now I can control it. So I can change the color to blue, red, green. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, this we can control individual lights here. So here I'll go down and check. There are different modes, effects. So let's try Aurora. So these are some of the effects. Right now it's in bubbling cauldron. Okay, let's try Aurora. Okay, just see the effects. It looks awesome. Okay, now we will try rainbow. So the quality and the throw of this light is pretty nice. Okay, I was thinking Govi was the best, but this is very close to Govi. Govi is a class apart. TP-Link is not far behind. The best part about TP-Link is that it is cheaper than Govi, and it does not compromise on quality. The network connectivity is also pretty good. Okay, it does not disconnect, and it is very spontaneous with Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Google. I hope you guys liked the video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. In case you have any queries, comment down below.